Cantonese Beef Brisket with Chu Hou Paste is a beloved classic in traditional Cantonese home cooking. This original recipe features tender, slow-braised beef brisket simmered in a rich and aromatic Chu Hou sauce, a savory blend of fermented soybeans, garlic, and warming spices. Deeply flavorful and comforting, this time-honored dish has been passed down through generations, capturing the essence of Cantonese culinary heritage in every bite. Often enjoyed with Daikon radish and served over rice or noodles, it's a true taste of home. Blanch meat with green onions, ginger, and cooking wine. Blanch meat for 10 minutes, it takes out the impurities. Rinse meat in cold water. Here is a couple of tricks I learned from my mom. You must peel the daikon twice. Why? Because after peeling the skin, there's still a hard layer under the skin. Peeling it twice makes the daikon have a smooth consistency through the cooking process and the eating process. You will know the difference. The other trick is to blanch the daikon for 10 seconds before you start cooking it. It takes out the bitterness in the daikon. This makes this dish taste even better. Take out all the cooked ingredients and trim the oil off the top to have a clear broth. When beef and daikon is tender, add cornstarch to thicken the sauce. You can pair this dish with your favorite noodles or just a simple bowl of rice. An hour later, I had to have another bowl. Now the dish has simmered and the flavor is so rich and tasty. Cantonese beef brisket with Chu Hou Paste is a traditional dish featuring tender brisket slow braised in a rich, savory sauce made from fermented soybeans, garlic, and spices. This original recipe captures the deep, comforting flavors of classic Cantonese home cooking. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.